He has the same agent as Diego Gomez. So obviously the link to Brighton is already established. He also the same agent as Fabian Balbuena, who's been to West Ham. So just to get an idea of there is some possibilities or some movement there around the Premier League. But it's an interesting situation because he's only 17. So obviously he couldn't move until he's 18, which is next year. Because of the way, from my understanding, his contract is at Cerro at the moment, he could leave on a free when he's 18. Whatever club signs him will have to pay Cerro formation rights as part of FIFA. But I mean, all of a sudden, I think Cerro are panicking a bit that they gave him his debut and he hasn't signed the pro contract. And so now he could leave. And he's obviously, if he's being looked at by these clubs, he's already valued in the high millions, I would say, like $5 million dollars. So that's a lot of money that Cerro could potentially lose out on.